how to enable or disable a bubble conversation vibration on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on notifications. After that, tap on advanced settings. Now go down and tap on conversations. In here, you may have a list of all the different conversations. So open up the conversation that you would like to change. Then we scroll down and tap on vibrate. So this particular change will only apply to this selected conversation. All other conversations will be using the default settings. So if you want to apply a unique settings to each of the conversations, you need to tap on that particular conversation. Then we can go in here and make the changes. And all the changes that you make in here only apply to this selected conversation. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.